That's right, $213. And the crazy thing is that it is about a 1-minute scooter ride from the beach. I was staying in this hostel under this apartment complex, and this Vietnamese lady was like, let me show you this apartment. And I said, okay, that's fine. I'm curious to see what you can get for here. I was also looking for an apartment myself, so I was hoping that if I liked it, maybe I can find a similar one myself, because I really love this area.
I love it.
How long have you lived here?
From April or from March.
Whoa.
From March. March until now.
That's a good amount. I thought it was just 1 month. Oh, yeah, you really love this area. We're by the beach, good restaurants.
Yes, that's right.
Everything
And
else,
this area is a Western area, so I'm Vietnamese, so I love Vietnamese food with a reasonable price, even cheap price. I go down this street, and at the end of the street is the student area, because it has a university there.
Yeah.
So I rent from March with 5 mil, but I don't know how much now. 5 mil including everything except electricity.
Wow.
So the Wi-Fi is strong. I can teach online.
Right.
And you have a bit. I will show you.
Is your room very dirty?
I think you don't think so. I hope you don't think so.
I'm kidding. I'm sure it's clean. Just clean.
I didn't
Oh,
make a bed.
do they clean your room?
Yes, every two weeks and free.
Every 2 days?
2 weeks. Twice
every
a month.
2 weeks. Okay, twice a month. Twice a month. Yeah.
Free.
Wow.
They change.
They change everything.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry.
Wow.
Sorry. Don't look at
No,
this.
I'm kidding. Oh my god, no, it's so clean. It's really clean.
I didn't make a bed.
It's okay. Well, this is cool. Oh my god, for 5 million? Wow. That's really good. And it has 2 air cons?
Yeah, that's right.
Wow.
That's why I say this is the good
With a
place.
nice little cute
Yeah.
balcony?
Yes.
No way. Wow.
It's perfect.
This is perfect. What else do you need? And it's so close to the beach.
Yes.
Just right there. You can see it from here. Oh my god.
So if you rent an apartment, they only have apartment in front. So 101,
Yeah.
3012, and 4 and 5 and 6.
Oh,
So just
okay.
front of the hotel.
Alright, that's great. Yeah, that's nice with the little. Whoa.
Oh.
Look how big the bed is, guys.
Yes,
Holy
it's
crap.
really cool.
And it's so soft. Oh,
That's
wow.
why my husband loves this.
Your husband loves this. Yes, of course he loves this. You got a TV here.
Yeah, the TV, and it's really cool. And we love this. We can save the area.
Yes, wow.
And
Wow. Wow, it's so open. That's cool. What a beautiful place.
the glass and the bowl and the small bowl plate here, and the chopstick spoon they give you, and some
They give you everything. Everything is furnished, right?
pot, pot pans,
Wow.
and even
And you have a big fridge. Normally the fridges are so small, you know?
yeah.
Wow, this is great.
And I said to you, the electricity, the fridge used and the kitchens, the owner paid.
The owner because
Yeah.
it's the solar system.
Yeah, because
Wow.
when we take out this, so the fridge still work.
Yeah.
When we go
So
to
how
work,
much is electricity every month?
we spend maximum 3, and the highest price we pay,
Yeah.
315,000.
Wow, 350,000. That's
Yes.
really good for the month.
Yeah.
Wow, because usually it's like 700, maybe a million.
But we don't use too much the aircon.
Yeah.
because-
You can just use fans. Yeah. Cool. Amazing. All right. And and you also have like
Yes.
this is the toilet. Whoa. And you have a
Yeah,
like
they have a washing
washing
machine.
machine. Yeah. Wow. This is incredible. This is so good for
Yeah,
5 million.
And they have the elevator
Hmm.
there.
Yeah.
And one more, and one for the guests and one for the staff. So when something happen, we can escape
Right.
quickly.
Yeah. You're
That's
worried. Yeah.
important.
No, you worry about that in case there's a fire. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's another bed.
Yeah.
Whoa, it has an extra bed right here. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Oh my god, and look, and how big these
But the
closets
room-
are.
But the
Wow.
room on the ground floor, they just have one bed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, that's fine. I'm just impressed. Yeah, I understand why you want to stay here. It's a beautiful place.
Yeah, so if my family or his family will visit us,
Of course.
we can stay.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
can stay here. We can move.
Yeah, this is so nice.
Yeah.
All right. That was the tour. As you guys can see, that lady was very friendly, and most impressive was the apartment, dude. For what she's paying everything that she gets, and they clean her apartment once a week. And it's spacious, it's big, and obviously the location right next to the beach. You have the city about a 5-minute scooter ride as well. Everything is close by. I really love Danang, and I have to admit that Danang, I would say, has the best value for money when it comes to renting properties or getting your apartment. I know, let me know what you guys think down below. Soon I will give you a tour of my apartment and I'll let you know how much I'm paying. I'll see you guys soon. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Cristian Rodriguez, bye.